Now, West Bengal and Tripura were at one time as difficult territory for the BJP RSS as Kerala seems right now. What are the differences, according to you, between your ability to make the ground more amenable for for the growth in West Bengal and Tripura in comparison with Kerala?
Eh, to the first question itself, I have answered. The particular special and interesting, I would like to say. Interesting demographic balance of Kerala is entirely different from Bengal and Tripura. And also in Bengal and Tripura, there was people who have experienced the communist dictatorship and all sort of terrorist activities supported by them for a pretty long period, you may be knowing. And thousands were butchered, murdered in that area. That is not the case of Kerala as such. That much number has not been butchered or murdered. And these Congress for 5 years and the Communist Party for 5 years, it is somewhat in a zigzag model it is going on always. So in that way, people once experiencing the misrule of Communist parties do select Congress, and they were not considering BJP as a proper alternative there. That's a psychological problem also. So I feel that ground level change is happening, some sort of a tectonic change in the social system is happening there. The continuous work done by the BJP and its allied organization, RSS and all, and the change will happen this time, I do hope, because of the continuous work happened there.
So the RSS and the BJP have now brought Metro Man Sridharan as their symbol. He's also 88 years old, so well beyond the age when you enter the Margdarshak Mandal. Do you think through his appeal to Malayali pride, the right project in Kerala will be able to penetrate deeper? Is that your hope?
I do feel that Metro Man has got a deep impact, a huge impact in the Kerala society. It's a somewhat that you have said correctly, that a Malayali pride, the Metro Man who delivered. Everything assigned to him has been done correctly, and the people are very well, feeling that change happening in the ground in Kerala, in the political ground. So many people, not only Metro Man, so many sincere people, IS officers, IPS officers, Kalakar, artists, have started coming to BJP nowadays for the last 2-3 years. It has happened. See, TP Senkumar, who was an IPS officer and also a DGP, without any reason, being victimized by the Pinarayi Vijayan and leftist government. Through Supreme Court, he got the judgment in favor of him to be reinstated as DGP. Was a personality who did all sort of his duties with due respect and everything. He has come to BJP. Jacob Thomas, who was officer of vigilance, was the main person. He came to BJP. Not only Sridharan, there's a huge change going on. So it will have a deep impact in the Kerala polity, no doubt.
You sit in some of the most important decision-making bodies of the Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh. In 2014, when Prime Minister Modi took over, the RSS thought it's the best opportunity to create a new Bharat in the image of the RSS worldview. 6 years down the line, 7 years down the line, how close do you think the RSS feels we are towards achieving the RSS's conception of a new India?
At the first place itself, I would like, I should say that through political change alone, our concept about the nation building will be fulfilled. That is not our concept about our work. If it would have been the case, Dr. Hedgewar, the RSS founder himself, was a staunch political person in his younger days. He was a part of Congress. He was the secretary of the Central Province. He was a leader of the political movement, the democratic movement and everything. He would have started a political party other than Congress. He started the RSS organization to change the mindset of the people, to elevate, to raise the national consciousness level of the people, the common national consciousness level. For if that is the case, political change alone will not, or the systemic change alone will not change the mindset of the people. So first and the foremost thing which is to be happened is the change of the mindset and the national consciousness level to be increased. For that case, for the last several years, through Sangha, that national consciousness level of the common people have raised to a considerable level. And we are again working on that line. As a natural impact in the political field, that has been reflected in the BJP's success only. And we are not planning something new as the NDA came into the power in 2014, something new. We are continuing our work which we have started in 1925 with more vigor, that's all. And this political, the change in the political dispensation at the center has made any change in our policy, RSS policy. That is not the case.